This protocol describes the extraction of organochlorine pesticides adsorbed on plastic pellets sampled from beaches, as well as the chemical analysis of the plastics. Plastic pellet sampling. Before going in the field, prepare your sampling materials. Carefully clean the stainless steel tweezers and the containers. And you will also need gloves, zip bags, the identity beach form, and eventually an icebox. Once on site, investigate the area to find the pellets. Did you see them? Wearing gloves, collect the plastic pellets from the beach with the tweezers. In order to have representative results, it is advised to sample 50 to 100 pellets per location. However, if the required number of pellets cannot be reached, collect the maximum pellets possible and specify it in the identity beach form. Plastic pellets are usually found along the high and low tide lines of sandy beaches. Also check any potential accumulation areas of stranded material. Sometimes the pellets can be found sticking to fresh seagrass on beaches, after a storm for instance. At the end of the sampling, wrap the collected pellets in aluminum foil. Glass bottles can be used as an alternative, or eventually paper bags. Do not forget to fill in the identity beach form. Once in the laboratory, gently wipe off any particles, dry the pellets if necessary prior to storage, and store them in dark at low temperature. Extraction of organochlorine pesticides from plastic pellets. Using tweezers